This is the Canadian National Railroad vertical lift bridge, and it's a second Narrows vertical lift bridge, and it's still in use for heavy traffic, rail traffic, crossing the Burra Inlet, located in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And I'm gonna show you the other bridge. Let's look at the bridge. It's in it's a nice one. Yes, so look at all this right here. It raised for boats and ships, and it lowers for train traffic. So, and it replaces the last vertical lift bridge, and before that, a Strasbasker bridge. So now this is the last one. Yeah, it's located in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.